What is up, my kings and queens? It is your girl Ashley Nicole here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. So y'all, you see your girl got some color in her hair. Oh my goodness, like who is this, you guys? Who is this? Like, you guys, I love this unit. I just was in a phase and I was just like, I want some color in my hair, and I love OT30 units. Like, you guys, they are my go-to wig when I want a change in my life. If you guys want a review on this beautiful wig, please put it in the comments below. I would love to do a review for you guys. But yes, like, y'all, like, the color is so pretty. The parting is 3 different ways. Like, that's a whole nother video, y'all. That's a whole nother video. But today we are on episode 2 of my Invisalign series. So last week, if you guys have not seen that video, I'm going to put it up right here. Last week I showed you guys day 1, ground zero of my Invisalign journey. For anyone who is new, a little bit of background. So I decided to start my Invisalign journey on June 25th, 2020. And I decided to do this just because it was the right time for me, the right moment for me. You know, I just wanted to go ahead and get this process done, have this leap of faith and everything like that. So I decided to go ahead and start my beautiful Invisalign journey. And today is a week from last Thursday, which means it is time to change our trays. So I'm going to try to be as transparent, you know, as hot, as humble, open, and transparent as possible with you guys with this journey, because I want you guys to see like how this really is, you know, the down and dirty of how we do this, how you're going to get this process done and everything like that. So today it is about almost 9 o'clock at night where I'm at, and we are going to put away with tray number 1, and we are going to go to tray number 2. All right, you guys, so let's get into a little bit of background information of how my first week went in Invisaligns. So I'll be honest, like, from the video that you guys saw that night I went to sleep in my Invisaligns, when I woke up the next morning, my teeth were sore. Almost like, it's very similar to when you work out and after you work out, you know, the next couple of days you're sore. It was like that, but it's in my teeth. Like, I didn't really know like what to do. Like, my dentist told me to take like ibuprofen, and at one point I had to because it was just so like irritating. But for the most part, after like day 2, that did kind of tend to go away. I didn't really notice it as much, as well as how easy it is to pop the trays in and out. Obviously day 1, you know, you're a little bit hesitant on pushing the trays in and clicking them onto those little brackets on your teeth. But honestly, y'all, as the week went on, and you know, sometimes you be in a rush, so you just like click and you get them out, you put them in, and you're good to go. Okay. One thing that I did notice, that brushing your teeth. So you're gonna brush your teeth a lot. Like, every single time you eat, you have to brush your teeth with these. So I would take them out, eat my food, and then brush my teeth, brush the trays with water and a toothbrush, and then put them in. So one thing I could say, that as the week went on, I started to be very, what's the word? I started to be very like, I started to realize when I didn't have my trays in. So it was kind of like a little alert in my head, like, hey, you need to put your trays in, like after I eat or something like that. So that tends to get a little bit easier as it goes along. Like, it's really easy to tend to forget, but honestly, like, you know when they not in your mouth. Like, honestly, it's kind of weird now when I don't have these in my mouth. So that's kind of the flip side of that. as well as the lisp. So the first 2 to 3 days, y'all, my lisp did not go away. My coworkers were looking at me like I was crazy, like, what is wrong with you? And they didn't realize that I had gotten Invisaligns. But honestly, it does tend to go away. I hear it a little bit every now and then, but it's gotten a lot better since day one of having these trays in. So I will say that the lisp does tend to go away over time as you wear your trays. Okay, so those are some of the main things that I noticed. If you have any questions or anything about my first week in Invisaligns, please leave it in the comments below. The main thing is just make sure that you're following the instructions that your dentist or orthodontist gave you. Make sure that you are cleaning your teeth after you eat. It is nasty when you put these trays on after you eat and you got meat and all that stuff still in your teeth. That's nasty, okay? So a little tip, a little toothbrush and a little toothpaste in your purse, in your car, that will be your best friend through this journey. Y'all, I still got my case, so we ain't lost her yet. This does come in handy because even if I want to like just snack on something, y'all, I have to take them out and put them in here, and then I like to wait until I get home, brush my teeth, and then put them back in. The goal again is 22 hours a day. So you have to keep that in mind whenever you take these out. Like, okay, am I going too long? Like, how long has it been? What I really love is the Invisalign app, and I'm going to try to put a screenshot in this video for you guys. But this app is really nice for beginners, you guys. So it tells you, you know, how many days you have till the next time you have to change your tray. It tells you what tray you're on. It has a little timer on there, so it'll show if you were compliant for the day as to wearing them the entire 22 hours, or if you were behind a little bit. It has information on there to how to keep them clean and everything, and how the process goes. Y'all, it even has a link to their store where you can buy more cases like this. You can buy more of the cleaning crystals. Like, they have you all set for this journey, you guys. So I really do love this app that they have with these trays, and Invisalign just showed out for this whole process, you guys. They're making this so easy to work towards that smile that you have been waiting for. So now let's get into putting in tray 2 of my Invisalign journey. Alright, you guys, so they are washed off and everything. So you guys are going to see me put these in. These are, again, tray 2 out of 34. Let's see. So all you do, woo! Woo, these are tight. All right, my kings and queens, so our teeth are clean, our trays are clean. We have already put in set 2 of 34 of my Invisalign journey. That is it for today's video, you guys. Remember, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. Drop it down in the comments below. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. Until next time, you guys.